Please, the fucking gods of metal. Sharon!
What the hell is Iwata doing here?
I think he programmed this, actually. If I recall. I want to buy. We have crap items, he says. As he sells $3,000 coins.
And $5,000 diamonds.
I'm kind of curious about the charm coin. I'll buy one.
Is it...
Will you take a monkey's love in exchange?
Her defense just went down.
Yeah, I know. They didn't actually mean to do it. It is equal to the lucky coin, so what the fuck does it do then?
Yeah.
Oh. What the hell does the lucky coin do?
Apparently it increases your defense and luck more.
Okay, EarthBound, I'll bite.
So... Are we like taking a turkey baster full of monkey love and just spraying the enemy with it? Something spooge cannon.
Here, take a coin. Well, apparently the lucky coin is better than the charm coin, seeing as how it sold for twice as much. Take my drugs.
There is a pretty big market for prescription medication.
Yep, we can just ask your sister. Da 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 da. Good thing I have the Hawkeye.
What does the Hawkeye actually do?
I believe it just lets you see while you're walking through the deep darkness.
And this is the deep darkness.
Yep, we are in the deep darkness.
Doesn't look that deep or dark.
That's because I have the Hawkeye. Do.
I take it would all look like that otherwise.
Pretty much. Why is it just a fucking banana?
I don't know. Banana.
Okay, game, I suppose I'll use the fucking Hawkeye. Yes, that's what it does. It uncovers all the darkness.
I see.
Fired magic missile at the darkness. Do you want to withdraw some money? The fee will be the exact same as the amount of money you take out. That sounds like a racket to me.
A little bit.
Piggy nose. No truffles. What the fuck was that? I don't know, but I'm gonna fight it. Oh, it's an eel.
Aquatic danger noodle.
This makes me think of Ass Flag when I was playing at fucking eels. You obliterated the zap eel. I want to fight these ants. Or slugs. I'm sure they're slugs, not ants. Pitbull slug. I'm just imagining this battle is nothing but us going. Just stopping on everything.
Goomba stomp them all.
That was kind of amusing. All the slugs have salt. Except the attack slugs. Put on the pig nose. Miss Piggy, tell me the secrets of the magic truffle. Oh, like there's nothing there. That's where you saw that promo thing for the new Muppet Show where Miss Piggy was ogling Nathan Fillion's ass, didn't you?
Yes, yes, I did.
That's right, keep walking. The hard crocodile. See, that actually sounds like a band name too. Hard crocodile. Oh god, it's perfect too. Face of the band just gets on stage. It's like, you guys ready to croc?
Oh god.
See, I don't have any special love for or special adoration for Nathan Fillion, so the appeal is lost on me. I'm gonna give you a banana, man.
Yeah, okay.
And then she took the salt packet and used it on the banana and gave Matt a salty banana.
That's kind of gross.
It's like people putting salt on watermelon. That's fucking disgusting. No!
God damn it!
No, 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 no! No, 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 get out of here. I don't know, how much longer are we going to go? This is the third or fourth episode we've done? I think it's the third.
Well, we can finish this episode, obviously. But I am a little wiped out.
Like a butthole.
Yes, Alex.
I mean, if you want to get in on this strike, you're free to. It'd be a little weird, but
I don't know how it's going to work.
or you can just wait until we're done, and then we could play fighting games.
Beef jerky.
Took your beef jerky. I feel like we should probably do another episode or two of Marvel.
Yeah, I got smarter.
We could try Mumble. Heal thyself. I just fucking use the heal everybody one.
That does seem the more expedient option, yes.
Eat my caramel.
Caramel.
I'm also literally the only person in my family who pronounces that correctly.
And they probably argue that it's pronounced caramel. Huh.
The other A is not silent.
Oh, look.
I'm just gonna preemptively get over here. Okay, good. I was expecting photographer guy.
We just saw him a minute ago.
Yeah, but we're at some place, something that would merit a picture too.
Does that mean Lord Ass is in this swamp somewhere?
No. Even slimier, little pile. Hard crocodile.
Caramel. I want a caramello bar now. Even though they completely and utterly destroy my teeth.
Yeah, I feel like it'd probably be a bad idea for me to eat a caramello bar while my mouth is still in recovery mode.
Yes.
Yay, a teddy bear. Why did this slimy pile have? I'm gonna fight you, whatever the fuck you are, little merman thing.
I don't know why the slimy pile had a teddy bear.
That's great.
Manly fish.
Well, it is both a man and a fish, so I guess it's an apt description.
Yeah, but it's not the Gyarados from...
What the?
I've just been assaulted by flying caramel creams.
Hey, what is it? What's that brand? This starts with, I was gonna say, starts with a G.
I completely spaced what I was saying.
Yeah, I don't remember either. I got sidetracked by trying to remember how you pronounce that brand.
I got sidetracked by getting whacked with a piece of flying caramel.
Yeah.
Oh, right. It was a manly fish, but it was not the Gyarados for manly guys doing manly things.
Another slimy little pile of another manly fish. What I kind of want right now is a Reese's stick. Those are good. I love those. That actually looks like the correct way to go, so I'm going to go the other way. Fight more manly fish. And slimy little pile. No, slugs, I guess. One slug in the swamp. Part 4th, manly fish. Manly fish and... Well,
okay then.
brother of manly fish. Oh no, the teddy bear. Fish jerky.
Fish jerky?
Oh, I want to fight this thing. It looks fucking raffle sheet. I hate those things.
The demonic what?
Petunia. Have you ever actually smelled a rafflesia? Those things literally do smell like corpses. Like, holy shit. I've never smelled anything so rancid before.
Are those the ones they call corpse
Yes.
flowers?
Yep, the ones that look all colorful and then have like that like opening in the center.
Mm-hmm.
Ugh.
Beef jerky.
But, you know, I'm taking the spicy jerky.
And for some reason you put salt on it.
Well, it kind of automatically happened.
Sounds like something my sister would do.
What, put salt on jerky?
Yes, Kelly puts salt on absolutely everything. It's like, would you like some food with your salt?
More defense. Well, after watching you when we were at McDonald's on our way back here, you put a lot of salt on your food too.
Well, that wasn't entirely on purpose.
Don't you lie to me. Why must you turn my office into a house of lies? Fight more slugs. Give me more salt. Sodium. Well, I guess I'm not going that way. Fight me, manly fishes, brother. Or just manly fish, whichever. That fish literally is trying to be manly. It's just like, bro. I'm just gonna imagine manly fish just literally standing around flexing all the time. Yeah, that's why I'm playing EarthBound today, because the one that's going to be posted tomorrow is the last one I had in my buffer.
Yeah, so it was imperative that we add more EarthBound to the buffer.
Yep. Critical hit the slug. I'm just going to imagine, like, being, like, and just close up to the slug, like...
And once again, nobody can see Alex's pantomiming over here.
Slowly making a face that is decked in its disgusting slug maw.
Whereas I thought of critical hitting a slug being like dropping a steamroller on it or something.
Yeah, I can't actually be that high. I am gonna fight the palette swap with Master Belch.
What?
Ugh. Well, now that we're all sufficiently grossed out.
Ugh.
Ugh.
Damn it, I just ate.
Ugh. Every time I look at it. Ugh.
Goddamn, this is nasty.
Ugh.
Kill it with fire.
Fire, I can cover it up just with my palm. Yeah. This tiny monkey.
Well, okay.
Oh, gross! Now it's a monkey covered in puke.
Kill it with fire.
Meteo tight. Meteo titty.
Now I've got the narrator from Space Quest 4 in my head.
Ugh. They have captured the essence of, like, just, they picked the perfect color palette for that. Like, maximum fucking gross out. Ugh. Ugh. I keep thinking about it.
What does the piggy nose do?
Let's us search for magic truffles in the swamp. Why truffles are growing in the swamp is anybody's guess.
Well...
Hello!
Again? How could we possibly forget?
Why are you talking in the third person?
Because these things in video games always speak in broken up pidgin third person.
Don't you think that's an incredibly masculine taunt? Well, not really. It's really gross.
Kill it with fire?
I was gonna say, at least that's not as gross. It's just kind of weird looking. Go, monkey! Spy on Master Barf.
Casey Bat.
Did that one.
Casey Jones?
Yes.
Jose Canseco Bat! Tell me you didn't pay money for this.
I think we just dated ourselves again.
Yes.
You know what? I'm just gonna turn off auto bed. I'm just gonna fucking spam PSI stuff. Psi stuff. About sums up how I feel.
Ixnay on the Earl Hay. Yes, knocked. That is exactly what I was thinking.
And the best part is the EarthBound strategy guide came with a scratch and sniff thing in the back of the book. A unique smell for each and every enemy in the game.
Yeah.
Suddenly RJ appeared.
Well, that was
Behold! Plot attack.
Oh, baby.
Vitality. Nobody bats an eye at it. It's just like, oh, okay.
I guess he's back. Yippee skippy.
No visible effect. We're about to just finally get rid of the secret herb I've been hauling around the whole game. He went off on a training montage.
An off-camera training montage.
Gonna need a montage. America, fuck yeah.
We're here to save the motherfucking day, yeah.
America,
Fuck yeah.
Kiss my ass and suck on my balls, America. If there was a song that embodied the entirety of America, it's that one. I can tell you're using ellipses a lot. TV, phone. Why is there a line out?
I don't know.
Dad? Another one of those, like... Dad?
What's with all this shit?
I guess I'm digging through their dump.
A death ray?
Sweet.
I'll take that.
Here you go, Matt. Have a death ray. I'd equip the Casey bat, but its whole thing is it only hits really fucking hard, but it whiffs a lot.
Ah.
Which is also obviously a reference. Pretty weak for a death ray.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little underwhelming.
Weird junk. Well. Sure.
Sure, small Yoda talking creature.
And the whole time all these little dudes just like stand outside the cave mouth and stare inside you while you sleep.
That's creepy.
Watch that disgusting puke and yeah. Good all over. Please tell me stuff. No, you're too shy to do so. You are also shy. Everybody is shy. Shy for days. We covered up the hole.
Yeah.
Right, well, I guess I'm going to get the hell out of here and... find a book to overcome shyness, I guess, somewhere. Whoa, shit! Meanwhile, the whole time there's just me, like, on the phone, like... There you go. How convenient.
How terribly convenient. Here, have this plot coupon.
Okay, let's, who's calling me now? Jesus. God damn it, Dad. I just called you. Like, I literally just called you. Well, I guess I'm going to Winters then. time on Radical Bromance, let me talk to this guy first.
I have.
Anyway, next time on Radical Bromance, mystery and intrigue.
And intrigue and mystery. Also, drugs.
And I'm gonna call my dad again. Dad, I need to save my game again.
I guess you can never be too careful.
Saving my king.
Thank you for that lovely musical interlude.
Saved. Yeah. Just so everybody knows I saved now.
Hooray.
Anyway, you wanted that to be the last episode?
Yeah.
Okay. Stream over. Episode over. It's all over. It's no use.
Shut up, Silver.
It's no use! Now loading.